Outside Nigeria, about 6,700 patients from the makeshift hospital at the Shanghai New International Expo Center have been discharged. It's so far the largest group of patients released during the current COVID-19 resurgence. Meanwhile, a video from Shanghai reveals an anti-COVID restrictions demonstrator being arrested by the Chinese authorities. There is more in this report.
Video from Shanghai shows an anti-COVID restrictions demonstrator being arrested. The city is experiencing its biggest ever COVID outbreak and introduced extreme measures to curb the spread, including the removal of children from their parent if they test positive. A total of 6,700 patients from the makeshift hospital at the Shanghai New International Expo Center were discharged on Wednesday. It is so far the largest group of patients released during the COVID-19 resurgence. Among them, some 4,600 were from the Pudong New area. All discharged patients will return to their residences for 7-day medical observation. Taking into account the weather, road conditions, and the carrying capacity of the community, the recovered people in Pudong New area were transported together in the morning. The recovered patients were discharged from the hospital one after another from 8 a.m. and other districts in Shanghai also sent cars to pick up people in the afternoon. The makeshift hospital specially prepared raincoats and at the same time allowed the vehicle to pick up the patient at the closet site. The recovered patients have been notified before returning to their community and are required to continue health management at home and cooperate with nucleic acid and antigen testing. Shanghai has implemented a venue code and an all-in-one machine for health checks or digital SENTRY citywide as a new beefed-up measure to monitor and curb the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. At present, in some prevention areas, the digital SENTRY measures have been put into use. Temperature measurement, health QR code scanning, and verification. This all-in-one machine for health checks or digital SENTRY has officially started working at the Community Health Service Center within the prevention area in Zuanyang Town, Jinshan District. Citizens who come to see a doctor and prescribe medicines can use the one-stop verification health information and complete registration for entry as long as they're scanning the health QR code from the digital SENTRY. At present, more than 30 digital SENTRY have been distributed in places such as crossings and community health service centers in Zhuangyang Town and Zunjing Town in Jinshan District. The R&D team is still stepping up technology upgrades to further facilitate the use of elderly groups. The venue code, which complements the digital SENTRY, is also accelerating its promotion and coverage in the prevention areas. In addition, the precautionary areas are also adjusting the prevention and control requirement according to the distribution and characteristics of people in the area.